when Bitcoin started getting attraction and people started getting interested in it. Many people started experimenting with Bitcoin. Many new companies came to find out that there were few problems with Bitcoin. Like the total transaction per second in Bitcoin is just between 7 to 10 transactions per second. But for any digital currency, the transaction per second must be well above 1000 for it to function well. Plus, the time required to send Bitcoin from one wallet to another was very high, as it took around 30 minutes for the transaction to get confirmed. So many companies came in and thought of making a new digital currency, which would be better than Bitcoin. These companies made new digital currencies based on the Bitcoin blockchain. Some even thought that new blockchain-based technology can be made, which can be used for several other problems that the current system has. So coins like Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple came in, and many other coins were developed. These coins were called as altcoins, which means cryptocurrency that is an alternative of Bitcoin. Many of the altcoins are built upon the basic framework provided by Bitcoin. Thus, most altcoins are peer-to-peer. The only difference is that they try to offer a very efficient and inexpensive ways to carry out transactions on the internet. Even with many overlapping features, altcoins vary widely from each other. Now, as cryptocurrencies evolved and the new innovators came in the market, they tried making different cryptocurrencies on different platforms. Some used platform that the Bitcoin used, and some even made their own platform. This led to the evolution of altcoins, and different types of altcoins were developed, each solving some kind of problems. Some of them even overlapped each other. There are many cryptos in the market that solve the same problems. So different kinds of altcoins were developed. Some were mining based, some were stable coins and security tokens, etc. Now let's look at it with an investing point of view. So why do we need to invest in altcoin? There are various reasons why you should invest in altcoins. The primary reason being that some extraordinary altcoins are better than that of Bitcoin. Some solve the same problem as Bitcoin but more efficiently, and some solve different other problems. In this world, we don't only have flaws in the financial system, but there are flaws in a lot of other sectors too, and some cryptocurrencies solve those problems. Another important reason is that unlike Bitcoin, these cryptocurrencies are new and most of them are undervalued. So how does this help us? When some altcoins has a huge potential and are still undervalued, it tells us that many people are not aware of it. If we can find such altcoins which are undervalued and has a huge potential in future, then we can also get benefited from it and can earn fortune of a lifetime by investing in it. Last time when the Bitcoin bull run began, it was observed that when the price of Bitcoin surged, there were some altcoins which surged higher than that of Bitcoin. And the same thing happened during the previous two bull runs which Bitcoin had. There are again different reasons for this, and no one could exactly tell you the exact reason behind it. But according to recent studies, it was observed that when the Bitcoin price were increasing, many investors moved toward different promising altcoins. That is to diversify their portfolio to get extra gain. As investors moved their money to different altcoins, the demand for altcoins started growing. And as these altcoins were very undervalued, its price started going nuts and grew exponentially. There is another reason why altcoins show such insane gains. When bitcoins grew exponentially, a lot of new people get attracted to cryptocurrencies. And as the price of Bitcoin was high, they started looking for altcoins which were better than that of Bitcoin and were very undervalued. So when these new investors came into the market and poured their money into these coins, the altcoins started growing and the price of many altcoins went through the roof. Previously, when such thing happened, even a $1,000 investment was converted into $100,000 just by investing in altcoins. If you invest in Bitcoin, you might get an rate of interest of 100%, 200% or even 500%. But if you want insane growth like 1000%, 10,000%, or even 100,000%, then you can get those gains by investing in altcoins. One small investment can turn into a fortune of a lifetime, that too in a very short period of time. That's the power of investing in altcoins.